What's up guys and gals, Brian Tong here at Samsung Unpacked, and in my hand, guess what, it's the Note 9, but I really want to show you all the cool things that the new S Pen can do right now. There's a whole lot of room to grow, but this is all the new features that are packed into it. So look, if you have a Note 9 like I do, and you have a Note before, when you take out the pen the first time, you can write on the screen. So I'm gonna send a little nice note to my mom, be like, hi mama, hi, you watching this? I know, my mom watches my videos, she really does, but what I'm gonna do is show you kind of all the other cool stuff that you can do with it. So let's just take this back to the home screen. I'm gonna discard this, and I wanna show you some of the apps that are built in right now. So first thing I'm gonna do is just hold this S Pen button down, and when I hold it down for a second, it's set to automatically launch the camera. Now what's also really cool about this is I can double tap, it'll switch it over to the rear camera versus double tap. We've got the selfie screen, and my boy Trevor, Wave Trevor, you can see him right through this, right? Let's say we want to take a picture now because we're in the age of selfies. Got the pen? Boom, just like that. This is the pen in action. All right, I'm gonna show you another cool thing that you can do with it right now out of the box. We're gonna go here and check out the photo gallery. We have all of our photos in here, but with the S Pen, again, I'm just gonna click once, and it's gonna change to the photos. Hit once, on to the next photo. Hit again, on to the next one. Double tap, reverse it, double tap, reverse it. Yeah, you can swipe with your fingers, but you're gonna tap with this thing. So that's kind of another cool thing you do. Now finally, if we go back here and get to the home screen, from the drop-down menu, I can take this down, and I'm gonna pull over to the side, and there's an option called the S Pen remote. Now what you can do there is if I hold down, you're able to see all the apps right now that are built in that allow you to control it. We showed you the gallery, we showed you the photos. It's all right here. You have Chrome browser, media, Snapchat, and they're gonna open up an SDK to allow this to be compatible with other third-party apps. But right now, this is kind of the hotness with the Note 9. It's your first look at everything it can do right now. There's gonna be a whole lot more, but check it out, the S Pen, boom.
날 위해서라면 나의 슬퍼도 기쁜 척할 수가 있었어 널 위해서라면